Today, I am going to teach you how to make a mixture that will leave your floor shining and your house smelling fresh for up to 48 hours. It is simple to make, easy to use, and the result is wonderful. To begin, we will fill a bucket with 2 liters of water at room temperature. Next, we will add 2 caps of multipurpose disinfectant. You can use the brand of your preference. I recommend that you use one with a good quality scent so that the fragrance lasts longer. Now, we will add a cap of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is important because it removes bacteria and helps to disinfect. We will also add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. This helps to give the floor an incredible shine and prevents it from becoming cloudy. Lastly, we will add 3 drops of aromatic oil. This helps to give a much more intense shine and has a delicious fragrance that will linger in the house for a long time. We will mix the ingredients with the water to start cleaning the floor. You will be amazed at how shiny and clean your floor will look after using this mixture. I would like to know which country you are watching me from so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. Here, I have a mop that I'm going to dip into the bucket with the mixture. This mop is old, but still works great. You can use this mixture to clean any type of floor, from porcelain, vinyl, ceramic to wood. It will leave the floor shining and smelling fresh for up to 48 hours. The best thing is that it does not leave the floor slippery. Today's special greeting goes to Shauna Woodbeck from Missouri and Sylvia Hanks from Kentucky. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want more tips like these, write to me below. I want more tips, so I know I'm doing it right. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.